Hey there, fancy meeting you here. Welcome to the meteorology segment. Do you know how to forecast your own weather? We want to know whether you know how to forecast your weather. So let us know in the comments. First thing we're looking at here are the 250 hectopascal winds at nullschool.net, the jet streams of the Western world. There you have it. We've got tripled up jet streams over the Atlantic Ocean. Let me draw a circle around that. The tripled up jet streams over the Atlantic. Right there. There's one, there's two, there's three. If that frightens you, I'm sorry. I don't know why it would, but here are the surface winds. And we've got two powerful cyclonic systems, really three powerful cyclonic systems here. Off the coast of Nova Scotia, where all the hosers live, eh? A second one out here, sort of in the central Atlantic. And then a powerful one here off the coast of Ireland. Kind of in between, making an equilateral triangle there, which will make people very frightened. You see that? Oh my God, it's an equilateral triangle. And everybody knows what that means, right? Moloch. Moloch is up here on a boat, a party yacht, eating babies, along with his cultists. Let us know who your favorite cultists are. Let us know who your favorite cult leader is. We're very interested, as I like to keep my cult options open. You never know which cult you may have to join, so it's so hard to commit on how to throw your life away to believing nonsense. Surface winds of the eastern world being displayed here. Check out the onshore wind at the south portion of Kamchatka. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Extreme meridional jet stream bends happening up here in the north. Like meridional jet stream flow out of a textbook. When the jet stream moves north and south, folks, that's called meridional jet stream flow. When it's moving normal, like it is in this portion of it, that's called zonal jet stream flow. The jet stream is not supposed to change that many latitude lines. Anyway, here's your weather.gov map. If your county's lit up, please click it. We've got a bunch of flooding warnings there happening in the Pacific Northwest, as well as a bunch of winter weather advisories and so on. Again, if your county's lit up, just go to weather.gov and click on your county. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Some storms moving across the south portion of the central U.S. here, and that's associated with massive pressure gradients. It's going to be some cold days in the Gulf. We'll get to it. First, a real-time lightning map. And we've got some Texan lightning once again. Shout out to Houston. Go out and look to the north. Take some photography and some video of this thunderstorm. It's quite active. There's a massive pressure gradient. And hey, Sam Houston National Forest. Hey, Livingston. There's thunder rolling in. Yeah, lightningmaps.org. It actually shows you the likely propagation of thunderclaps. Convince the natives that you're Thor or perhaps Odin with lightningmaps.org. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. The algorithm probably didn't help you. Please tell your friends and foes about the channel before we go out of existence. We need your help getting the content onto people's screens. And we need your help funding the operation. If you enjoy the videos and appreciate the content and would prefer to see it continue to exist, remain publicly visible and free for all to view, become a member of the Smash team, preferably a paid member at the silver or gold level. There is also a free bronze level as well. You'll get limited information there, just like our free patrons did. We replaced Patreon with something vastly superior. It's the Smash team. You can find it at the homepage. Just click on the Smash team logo there, smashomash.com. You can find the smAsho merch link there as well, which features fantastic designs. Don't forget to enter the promo code WHYWAIT to save 20 to 60% store-wide on our spectacularly ingenious designs. We live by these rules, folks, by the way. My vaccination status is none of your business, and yours is none of mine. Mensa, make Earth not suck again. Do not pole vault the caldera. Do not commit fraud, as in 2021, accountability will happen one way or the other. If you intentionally misrepresent material facts, we're coming for you. In an effort to make America not suck again and to liberate the universe from crap forgive, remember, hold accountable, and universum liberate. If you don't know how to forecast the weather, one smart thing to do might be to take a physics class. Did you know that MIT offers their entire curriculum for free online nowadays? If you think chemtrails are a real thing, or if you think Earth and Venus are going to switch places in their orbits, and if you don't understand how to forecast your own weather, maybe take Physics 1, Classical Mechanics, maybe take Physics 2, Electricity and Magnetism. Again, they're all free from MIT, one of the most reputable science institutions in the world. You know, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT? Yeah, you can take all of their courses online for free. So please don't argue with me about physics if you have no idea what you're talking about. Just take a physics class. We'll greatly appreciate you here at the Smash News Network. Least busted, name and news. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch, by the way, twitch.tv/smAsho, the world's ultimate live streaming platform as far as I'm concerned. Let's get back to weather data. Here's where pressure cells are located. You can see this low pressure system here, as we talked about yesterday, moving around the Great Lakes. It's going to make a bit of a circle there. It's going to stagnate a little bit, so expect some continued effects of that in places like Minnesota and Wisconsin. Let's advance this one day, into tomorrow. There's the pressure forecast according to the European model. Tomorrow, Friday the 12th, which is the 22-year anniversary of my getting hit by a truck. Maybe we'll make a video about that. It was a life-changing experience. Yeah, I was going like 30 miles an hour. More on that later. Putting the more on, and more on that later. It's me, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho. Next, looking at the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. Here's a quick idea of what's going on. There's the equatorial cloud bands that you would expect in that neutral zone between the northern and southern jet streams. What happens if the jet streams cross, folks? Is it a total protonic reversal? Will all life as you know it cease to exist at light speed, dogs and cats living together, etc.? Let us know in the comments what you think, or if some idiot on YouTube told you that that was a thing. So check out that band of moisture moving across the U.S. as precipitation continues to stagnate in southern Alaska. Looking clear over Hawaii. Let's zoom in on the lower 48. And there's a massive pressure gradient being created here. There's cold air being injected way south into the U.S. And the closer you get that cold air to the hot air, you're going to have an atmospheric waterfall at some point. That's just the way it goes. And I've just absolutely clicked on something I did not want to click on. Let's press refresh. Again, this video was originally streamed live, so bear with me a quick moment here. I've got to clear the map. There we go. There's the map reset. If you click on this map, it'll start lighting up the counties. I have no idea why, but anyway, back to the animated Doppler radar. Next, the cloud layer. Oh, this is the temperature anomaly data to show you how that cold air is going to make its way down into the Gulf of Mexico. Some very cold days coming here. This is a 72-hour forecast, so some very cold days, especially for Tennessee, Mississippi, and Alabama. Again, that's a 72-hour GFS forecast. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. A bunch of low clouds continue here over the Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico. And here's the water vapor map. The cold air we were talking about is this air right here. It's also dry, which increases the pressure gradient because cold, dry air is even more massive than warm, dry air. And warm, dry air is more massive than warm, moist air. Yes, I said moist. Again, here's your recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar. There is the temperature anomaly animation of the GFS forecast for the next 72 hours. Here's the cloud layer. It's the shortwave radiation map on the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellites suite. And there is the water vapor map. That should give you insight into how the moisture is going to move. Hopefully that helps you to forecast your own weather. We implore you to be able to forecast your own weather. You've got more than enough information on the internet to be able to forecast your weather really precisely. Thanks for tuning in once again. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Naming news.